So basically in my previous video I discussed about the macrophages and its functions, and one or two functions are still remaining, and actually I forgot to discuss. So first of all we'll be discussing those functions, then we will move towards the dendritic cells, right? So now the function of this macrophage is that they release chemical, basically they release that chemical in blood which matures, like which help in the maturation of the other monocytes, maturation of other monocytes, right? Help in maturation of other monocytes. Then the function which we have is that they release interleukin 1. Interleukin 1. Basically, the interleukin 1 is a glycoprotein. It is a glycoprotein which is basically released by macrophages in order to raise the temperature. And this condition, if we talk about the medical terminology, then this is pyrexia. Like the condition is known as pyrexia, right? Basically our normal temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, but it increases from it due to the secretion of interleukin 1. We will be discussing this in fever response of the second line of defense, right? Now let's move towards the dendritic cells. Dendritic cells, right? Basically these dendritic cells, like when the macrophages get mature, or like when the monocytes basically get mature, either they turn into the macrophages or into the dendritic cells, right? So basically dendritic cells are cytoplasmic propulsions. These are cytoplasmic propulsions. They look something like this, right? This looks something like this, cytoplasmic propulsions, right? And their lifespan is very short, right? They have short lifespan. Like after engulfing one pathogen they die. After engulfing one pathogen they basically die, right? And basically these dendritic cells are known as APCs. APC, it means, like we have discussed about this APC in my previous video too, antigen presenting cells, right? These basically both macrophages and these dendritic cells both are APC, antigen presenting cells. So I hope the dendritic cells and the function of the macrophages is clear to you. If you have any kind of query, you can ask me in the comment section. One more thing, that basically these dendritic cells contain lysosome. Basically these lysosome have the hydrolytic enzymes, right, which helps in the phagocytosis or in the engulfment of the pathogen, right? In order to kill the pathogen, the hydrolytic enzymes basically help. So I hope it is clear to you.